As an instructor, the email tool is a great communication feature available in your course to stay in touch with your students. But when using it, how do you know for sure you're emailing your whole class? When you go to your class list by accessing the course admin menu, and then selecting class list, you'll notice that you have the ability to select your students, and then hit the email button. While that might seem like an easy way to send your email, you may run into a situation where not all of your students are receiving messages. When you select your students in the class list, it's only selecting the students showing on the first page. For example, in this screenshot, we can see the class list is filtered to show 250 students per page, and we are currently viewing page 1 of 3. 250 students is the max amount of students that can show on one page, so the remainder of the class is not selected. This means, if I wanted to send an email by hitting that email button, only 250 of my students would receive the email and the rest wouldn't. Instead, it's recommended to use the Email Class List button at the top of the class list area, especially if you have a larger class with hundreds of students. This will allow you to email all users in your course at once with no limitations. Once you click Email Class List, you will see a list of all of your students. At the bottom of the screen, you can select Send Email. That will open up a pop-up where you can see your entire class in the BCC field. Then you can type your subject and compose and send your message.